This chapter explains how to exchange the reagent and how to clean the electrodes. It is very important to keep the electrodes clean to obtain a reliable result. In normal operation, 100 milliliters of anode solution can measure up to 800 milligrams of water. When the total measured quantity of water exceeds this limit, anode solution has to be replaced with fresh solution. To discard anode solution, press the blank key to stop blanking. Hold the cell tight and lift it from the cell holder. Open the drain port of the cell and discard the anode solution into a waste container. Close the drain port and put the cell back into the cell holder. It is recommended to change the cathode solution at the same time as the anode solution. To discard the cathode solution, use the supplied wash bottle. Pull out the glass stopper of the cathode cylinder. Insert the nozzle of the wash bottle deeply down to the cathode chamber while pressing the body of the bottle. Take care not to damage the cathode electrode and ion exchange membrane. Stop pressing the bottle body to aspirate the cathode solution into the bottle. Put the glass stopper back on the cathode cylinder. Clean the indicator electrode at least once a week. If the electrode is used for a long time without washing, long measuring times and poor reproducibility may result. Wash the platinum part of the indicator electrode with deionized water. Wipe it with soft paper, then rinse it with methanol before use. If the surface of the anode gets dirty, extremely high readings and poor reproducibility may result. In such a case, disassemble the anode and wash the platinum mesh of the anode in the same manner as the indicator electrode. To disassemble the anode, loosen the red fixing screw. Pull the anode downwards. There are few chances for the cathode to get dirty. Only if an extremely high result develops, even though both the indicator electrode and anode are clean, disassemble the cathode and clean it. To disassemble the cathode, remove the ion exchange membrane. Then remove the black fixing screw. Pull the cathode downwards.